Hi guys! 5:56 PM na, wow feng shui na. Brother and family and friends, sa pong pinagpalang hapon sa inyong lahat. And I know again, it's unusual for me to do this. But syempre po, as promised, as my commitment po sa inyo, alam niyo po, part of the highlights po of doing a Joey on-site seminar. Lalo na po ito 4 days to 2 days for Chimen Club, 2 days for Chimen in Paradise is yung pong manifestation na po. Because the manifestation po is done by Dato Joey Yap himself. Siya po nagko-compute nito. And early on po, ito po yung ito po yung highlight What I mean, many are going here because of that na po. Because of this manifestation of getting what you want. So, BFF, share ko sa inyo, no? Para naman po hindi kayo ma-let out. And if we be able to view this and do the manifesting. So, first things first, nakatalikod po ito sa north. Right now, I'm backing north. Ito po ay hanggang 6:59 PM of today. Ngayon po, gawin nyo na. So, of course, you know the 4 things po. You let go, you open up, you give thanks, you visualize, and, of course, you donate. But, okay, for this one, because this one is guided po, done by Dato, I will just give you a highlight po of ano po ba yung mga words that was included para naman po meron kayong idea. Ano po yung mga wordings coming from Dato Joey Yap himself na po in terms of this manifestation. So, okay, tingnan po natin. Okay, so I was excited kasi ang daming gumawa and then I will actually out of the 300 plus po kasi po ito already day 4 and day 3 and 4 po is with the Chimen Paradise. So mas marami po ito. Chimen Club po is less than 100 plus but this one is 300 plus. So po, and even us from Chimen Club, gaginawa namin po ito. Kaya po, kanina po dito, though it's hot, ang init pa po ngayon, BFF, mainit pa. Talaga po, marami po ang nag-sacrifice to lay on the ground. No? Ako nga po, dito po, para medyo presko, still mainit pa rin, ginawa po yung dapat nilang gawin. So, BFF kung nasaan ka man, tumalikod ka na sa north ngayon. And I'll give you some of the power words po that was given. Okay, sabi dito. Para at least you have an idea. It says here that, of course, ang structure po ito is very special. Hi, Ma'am Susan. Yeah, you have to do this po. Good afternoon sa inyo. Very special po ito. From Dato Joey Yap himself. So, you can do it in Tagalog, English, any form of language. So, I'll just give you the words po, the wordings that was used. So, talikod sa north and do the 4 things. So, sabi dito, because it's 9 heaven, it's 7 stars, the most powerful energy po, 7 stars po. 7 po is sa pinaka-highest and it's heaven's deity or we call it the 9 heavens. 9 heavens po is an energy from the universe for visualization, for the future, for, for you to have you visualize not only now but in the future din po. So very powerful po ito. Actually, it's the second ranking highest po na energy from the universe that is being used, BFF po. Sabi dito, that flow freely and effortlessly in my life. I command po the 9 heavens to bless me with good fortune and wealth luck. Not in some distant future, but now in this every breath, no? Every breath. Every cell in my body vibrates by the frequency of abundance. Every thought I think aligns with prosperity. Every action I take moves me toward greater and greater blessings. My spirit is in harmony with wealth energy and I attract opportunities with grace and ease. This abundance honors my journey. It's not just my material wealth, but the affirmation of growth, healing, and transformation I have undergone. The blessings I receive now are sacred acknowledgement of every moment I have persevered, every step I walk in faith, and every lesson I have embraced with humility and hope. The universe recognizes my courage, my devotion, and my heart. I command the 9 heavens to magnify my blessings so they extend far beyond myself, touching the lives of all those I love and serve. With this wealth, I uplift those around me. My abundance is spill over, blessing my family, inspiring my friends, and nourishing the community that surrounds me. My success is a beacon, a lighthouse, guiding others through the storms of their own becoming. I'm not only prosperous for myself, but for the collective. I share freely, I give joyfully, and I shine with generosity. Through me, prosperity becomes a blessing multiply. I command the 9 heavens to help me become the generational chain breaker in my lineage, chosen by destiny. I rise not only for myself, but for my ancestors and descendants. I embody the strength of those who came before me and the hope of those yet to come. In me, the old patterns end and a new legacy begins, one of abundance, love, and radiant empowerment. Wow. You can say it in your own words. So I've shared with you some of the words that Dato Joey Yap himself used po and how he does it. Well, ito po. Wow, so you can just close your eyes, whatever comes to your mind, you can visualize it, spoken word, just in your mind. BFF do this. Alam niyo po, the investment in this kind of, let's say, seminar is not that cheap. But now I'm giving to you this, I want you to be a part of this for you to empower yourself. So you still have 1 hour BFF para magawa mo to. Ganda. And then you can end your manifesting by how you end your prayer po. Ako po, gusto ko prayer eh. Sa kanya po, it's more of how he does it. Kanya-kanya po eh. But me, BFF, you do it prayer as in form of a prayer po. I like talking to your faith and to your God. No po? Pwede po. Sabi rin po rito, I prosper as one chosen by the heaven, and I rise over and above, lifted by the strength of this current moment. Opo. And the grace of heavens and the infinite love that surrounds me take, po. So you can do it, BFF. BFF, I'm so happy kasi po, ito po talaga yung highlights eh, kahit po the last year, ito rin po talaga inaabangan po. Because again, it was computed by Dato Joey Yap himself. Very effective, very bihira po itong structure na to. That's what I'm sharing to you, no? Wow, kahit alam ko pong, I have to do something else, but ito priority to eh. Si minsan lang po, once a year, ito po, just imagine, we're in this beautiful Langkawi beach, Pelangi, beach spa and resort. So BFF, back to North, you can share this to whom and everyone. So any part of the world, local time po. Malaysia is same time with the Philippines, so no problem. But if you have friends and family members who want a game changer, want to turn things around with the blessings of heaven po, wow, you can do this po. Not only abundance, of course, with material, with of course health and of course everything po, health, wealth, happiness, or even in relationship po. That kind of abundance po, of how you define abundance po for yourself, you can only answer that. Gawin niyo po ito, BFF. Okay? Now, already have the commitment, you do it, BFF. Again, BFF, let us continuously pray for each other. Let's continuously pray for leaders, for world peace. Let us heal as one. Let us be a blessing to others. God bless us all. And see you again, BFF, on our next sharing. Thank you. Bye-bye.